You are watching your favorite YouTube channel Primary Ke Punk with Tarkeshwar Pandey. Good morning everyone. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today we are going to know about new words and question answer of the chapter Alice in Wonderland. So let's start to know about new words. Our first word is SCAMPER. 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 Scamper means to move in a hurry. Scamper means to move in a hurry. Use in sentence: the rabbit scampered after seeing the dog. Once again, the rabbit scampered after seeing the dog. Next word is HURRIED. 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 Hurried means to rush. Hurried means to rush. Use in sentence: he hurried in the running. Once again, he hurried in the running. Our next word is POPPED. 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 Popped means to go somewhere without any notice. Popped means to go somewhere without any notice. Use in sentence: she popped into my room. She popped into my room. Next word is DISAPPEARED. 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 Disappeared means vanish. Disappeared means vanish. Use in sentence: my English textbook disappeared suddenly. Once again, my English textbook disappeared suddenly. Now know about our last word. Our last word is WHISKERS. 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 Whiskers means long hair on the face of animals. Whiskers means long hair on the face of animals. Use in sentence: the whiskers of cats are very attractive. Once again, the whiskers of cats are very attractive. Now know about the question answer under the heading Reading is Fun. There are 8 questions under the heading Reading is Fun. So know one by one these questions and their answer. Question number 1. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? Once again, while listening to the story, what did Alice see? The correct answer of this question is: Alice saw a white rabbit running hurriedly. Once again, Alice saw a white rabbit running hurriedly. Now know about question number 2. What was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? Once again, what was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? The correct answer of this question is: the rabbit that Alice saw was different, as it could talk and also wore a red waistcoat and carried a watch. I want to repeat this answer once again. The rabbit that Alice saw was different, as it could talk and also wore a red waistcoat and carried a watch. Now know about question number 3. Where did the rabbit go? Once again, where did the rabbit go? The answer of this question is: the rabbit went into the rabbit hole. Once again, the rabbit went into the rabbit hole. Now question number 4. How did Alice reach Wonderland? Once again, how did Alice reach Wonderland? The correct answer of this question is Alice jumped into the rabbit hole following the rabbit and reached the Wonderland. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole following the rabbit and reached the Wonderland. Now know about question number 5. What strange things did Alice see? Once again, what strange things did Alice see? The correct answer of this question is Alice saw beautiful beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. Once again, Alice saw beautiful beds of bright flowers and cool fountains. Now question number 6. Describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. Once again, describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. The correct answer of this question is Alice saw the most beautiful garden from the doorway. It was filled with different colors of beautiful flowers. There was also a cool fountain inside which sprinkled fresh and cool water. Once again, Alice saw the most beautiful garden from the doorway. It was filled with different colors of beautiful flowers. There was also a cool fountain inside which sprinkled fresh and cool water. Now know about question number 7. Draw the garden of your dreams. Once again, draw the garden of your dreams. In this question, you have to draw a beautiful picture of garden. So you can draw this yourself. Now know about question number 8. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. First question is the rabbit had. The rabbit had. Your options are white eyes, big eyes, pink eyes. The correct answer of this question will be pink eyes. The rabbit had pink eyes. Now question number next. Who was burning with curiosity? Who was burning with curiosity? Your options are Alice, the rabbit, children. The correct answer of this question will be Alice. Alice was burning with curiosity. Now next question. Who fell down and down and down? Who fell down and down and down? Your options are Alice, a mouse, the rabbit. The correct answer of this question will be the rabbit. The correct answer of this question will be the rabbit. The rabbit fall down, down and down. Once again, the rabbit fell down and down and down. Now next question. Who said, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? Once again, who said, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting"? Your options are the rabbit, Alice, Alice's sister. The correct answer of this question will be the rabbit. The rabbit said, "Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Now know about the last question. The garden Alice saw was. The garden Alice saw was. Your options are big, lovely, small. The correct answer of this question will be lovely. The garden Alice saw was lovely. Okay. So that's all for today. I think you all have been understood these all new words and question answer under the heading Reading is Fun. We will meet shortly in the next video with the remaining question answer of this chapter. So for the time, I want to wish you all have a nice day. Goodbye. If you are first time viewer of this channel, then subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more updates about this channel. Thank you.